Sit down on my couch and watch some TV and turn it on. Where's my remote? Oh well, I could just go press the button since I don't know where the remote is. Dang it! Let me sit down. The National Weather Service in Gore City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Gore County in northeastern Goreland, southern Gorebox County, and southeastern Goreland, northwestern Liberty County, and southern Goreland, northeastern Liberty County, and southern Goreland, southwestern Gorebox County, and northwestern Goreland, southwestern Gore City County, and northwestern Goreland until 10:10 a.m. At 10:10 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing 65-mile-an-hour wind gusts and golf ball-sized hail was detected 5 miles from Gore City, moving east at 65 miles an hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: 65-mile-an-hour wind gusts and golf ball-sized hail. During this storm, residents should move indoors, as hail can damage things outdoors. If you are in a mobile home, vehicle, or the outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter. Destructive 65-mile-an-hour wind gusts will push loose objects in patios or backyards from the backyard and around. Loose objects may be pushed around and can kill people. So go inside and stay inside. Also, cloud-to-ground lightning is another thing that's going to be in the storm. Go inside and stay inside. Repeating, go inside and stay inside. Cloud-to-ground lightning is one of nature's biggest killers. Go inside and stay inside. Repeating, go inside and stay inside. Well, we're in a desert. How can a severe thunderstorm hit a city in a desert? That's weird. Oh, it just got bad. Okay, go inside. What? The National Weather Service in Gorebox City has issued a tornado watch for northwestern Liberty County and southeastern Goreland, northwestern Gorebox County and south central Goreland, northeastern Gore City County and southeastern Goreland, northwestern Gorebox County and southeastern Goreland, northwestern Gore County and southwestern Goreland, northeastern Gorebox County and southeastern Goreland until 10:25 a.m. At 10:25 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing 110-mile-an-hour wind gusts and softball-sized hail was detected approximately 2.5 miles from Gore City, moving at a speed of 115 miles an hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: 115-mile-an-hour wind gusts and softball-sized hail. And cloud-to-ground lightning. Remember, a tornado watch means conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes. Repeating. A tornado watch means conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes. Stay up to date with news stations across the counties in the alert zone for more information on this storm and other upcoming dangers. If you are caught in a vehicle, mobile home, or the outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Loose objects and other objects caught outside can be blown away and can kill you or seriously injure you during this storm. Remember, a tornado watch means a tornado watch means conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes. If you are in a substantial shelter, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. Keep as many walls between you and the outdoors as possible. Stay up to date with news stations or weather radios for more updates and other dangerous storms. Go to the National Weather Service Office's website at www.nationalweatherserviceofficescoreboxcity.com for the latest information on this tornado watch and other upcoming disasters and dangers. Oh wow, that's not good. Alright, get by the stairs now. And crouch. In a few minutes later. The National Weather Service Office in Gore City has issued a tornado warning for Gore City County in southeastern Goreland, Gore City County in southeastern Goreland, Gorebox County in northeastern Goreland, southwestern Liberty County in northwestern Goreland, southeastern Liberty County in northwestern Goreland, southeastern Gore County and northwestern Goreland, northeastern Gore County and northeastern Goreland, southwestern Liberty County and northwestern Goreland until 11:15 a.m. At 11:15 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing 210 mile-an-hour wind gusts, softball-sized hail, and a tornado was detected approximately half a mile from Gore City, moving at a rapid speed of 210 miles an hour. Source: storm spotters spotted funnel cloud. Repeating. Source: storm spotters spotted a funnel. A tornado has formed near your area. Repeating. Tornado has formed near your area. If you are in a mobile home, vehicle, or the outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A substantial shelter would be a ditch, a sturdy building with multiple floors, a storm shelter, a storm cellar, or a basement, or an interior room. If you do not have a basement or a storm shelter near you, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. Keep as many walls between you and the outdoors as possible. Keep up to date on the news. On news stations, NOAA weather radios, or our website. Go to www.nationalweatherserviceoffice.goreboxcity.com for the latest information on this developing situation and other dangers. Do not go outside. Repeating, do not go outside. If you are caught outside and cannot find a substantial shelter, move to a ditch. Lie flat on the ground and cover your head with your hands and pray and hope that the tornado... If you lay in a ditch, the tornado will go right on over you. Wait for the tornado to pass, and once it's passed, you may get up, and if your vehicle can run and it wasn't sucked up in the tornado, get out of there and find the nearest exit and find a substantial shelter such as a gas station or a hotel or any building that can provide you with shelter. And then wait for the storm to pass. Once the storm has passed, evacuate. Repeating, once the storm has passed, evacuate. Evacuate to any regional or international airport if it wasn't in the path of the tornado. And get out of there with any airline immediately. Repeating. Once the storm has passed, evacuate to the nearest airport immediately. Most highways and other large and heavily used roads will be backed up with traffic. So, take back roads, country roads, or any road that isn't as backed up as another way to get to an airport. Or drive. The Everythingnadian military and the Gorelandian military and other special forces will be there to evacuate those to Everythingland. You have approximately 999 decillion, 666 nonillion, 927 octodecillion, 957 decillion, 666 septillion, 958 quadrillion, 968 octodecillion, 967 trillion, 267 trillion, 968 billion, 666 million, 968 million, 966 octodecillion, 666 octodecillion, 999 octodecillion, 999 decillion, 999 nonillion, 999 quadrillion, 999 sextillion, 999 septillion, 999 trillion, 999 billion, 999 million, 999,999 days, months, years, seconds, nanoseconds, milliseconds, hours, minutes, days, months, years, centuries, millenniums, and other measurements of time to evacuate. Evacuate now. Repeating. Evacuate now. Shit. Shit. That tornado's here. I hear the train. The tornado is roaring. Oh, the rest of the neighborhood just got hit. Oh, jeez. Oh, the tornado just went right over us. Okay, that's good. Oh, jeez. Stay huddled up in this corner. Huddle up. At least we have another floor above us. Keep us safe. Oh, jeez. The rest of the furniture just got sucked out. Oh, shit. Emergency action notification. The president will be speaking shortly. Repeating. The president will be speaking shortly. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Gorelandian government. every Canadian government, and other special forces and civil authorities. All nuclear power plants in the Gorelandian area have gone under a level 10 meltdown. A level 10 meltdown means that the nuclear power plant is no longer repairable and everyone should get the hell out of there immediately. Also, the self-destruct button has been pressed, and other Gorelandian governments and special forces and civil authorities and all other alternate universes of Goreland will be coming to this Goreland to evacuate anyone to everything land. It is too late to evacuate on your own. Repeating, it is too late to evacuate on your own. Kidding me, and the everything Canadian government, the Gorelandian government, and all other Gorelandian governments, special forces, and civil authorities will be coming to evacuate anyone that has failed to evacuate in the time given. Also, 666 million nuclear missiles, warheads, and bombs were dropped by all bomber planes at the exact same time, all with the power of infinite Tsar bombas, Fat Mans, Little Boys, and any other nuclear bomb, missile, or warhead. These bombs will destroy anything in Goreland, along with the other disasters that will also destroy Goreland. Evacuate now. Repeated. Evacuate now. All that time, Lake Bell. Emergency action termination. Emergency action termination. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Gorelandian government at approximately 12:16 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. The emergency action notification that was issued a very long time ago is now terminated. Anyone and anything hearing this alert and has failed to evacuate, you have a 16% chance of survival. Repeating, you have a 16% chance of survival. The rest of Goreland has either evacuated or been destroyed. If you are in these remaining areas, Gore City, Liberty City, or Gore Box City, you need to seek shelter. When you seek shelter, don't listen to anything but alert. After 666 days, hours, and minutes, you may come out of shelter. The end is near. Repeating, the end is near. Seek shelter immediately in these areas. Pop! 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 666 million hours, minutes, years, months, decades, centuries, late bell. All clear message. All clear message. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Gorelandian government. Goreland has fallen, but you are now allowed to evacuate. The remaining 16 million people may now get out of your shelter. You can either kill each other, create groups, because the government and any law will no longer be in effect, and the government has fallen. The president government forces, military forces, and any other special force or civil authority, and anyone that has already evacuated has evacuated, and no one is coming to save the remaining 16 million people. This message was already broadcasted and is relaying a couple million years later. If you are still in your shelter, you can stay there or you can get out and inspect the damage, because no one will come and save you. Create groups, form alliances, and do anything you want to survive. The remaining cities will be nuked, and there will be no civilization left. Get out of here now. Repeat, get out of here and evacuate to the remaining areas now. The rest of Goreland can be yours. Form cities, create groups, do whatever you want. The cities that you have sheltered in will be nuked, and whatever is left can be used as shelter. No form of knowledge, no form of government, no form of law will exist, and you can kill, you can save, and you can do whatever. No form of currency is usable. Purchase anything with whatever you want and whatever you have. Thank you for listening, and bye-bye for good. Okay. Well, message. The following message is transmitted at the request of Bruce Lee at approximately 6:16 p.m. At approximately standard time. A power plant in city has gone under a level meltdown. A level meltdown means that Well, I was hoping to see if my grandma was okay, but it looks like she's not, because this is her house. Grams? Grams, where are you? There. Oh,
Can I help you?
That's my grandpa. Oh, hey there, Grandpa. How you doing? You must be doing mighty fine. I see you and me are the only two survivors, because all the other 16 million people must have died already. Our city yet hasn't been nuked. I wonder why. Grandpa, no! Jeez. I guess our city was the last to get nuked. Is anything okay? Well, everything in the market's okay. The vehicles are absolutely destroyed. Hold on, let me no clip. Oh, well, there are a couple explosives that haven't been launched yet. I wonder why. Well, I might as well activate them. It would be a waste of nuke. Oh, jeez! Well, I guess that's why you don't mess with explosives. Guess we're gonna use our no-clip power again. Oh, that's Grandpa's house that's destroyed. Let's head over to my house. Let's see if everything is okay in my house. Dang it. Okay, no-clip again. Well, it looks like there are a couple of explosives that didn't get blown up. Well, I guess we could always just blow them up. It's fine. Fun. Oh! No. Okay, in my house. Well, my house definitely wasn't spared. I mean, is the TV okay at least? Yeah, the TV's fine. That's good. Is there any form? Well, I guess the toilets isn't really in a good condition. Our beds got sent. That's another thing that didn't survive. Our beds are destroyed, so I guess our house wasn't spared at all either. Well, that kind of sucks. Now does. Well, something deleted before. That was me. Well, I guess we could just go on this little cafe sign here. Nope.